Howdy, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're not just diving into a phone, we're taking a look at a technological statement. I'm talking about the phone that has every gadget lover on the edge of their seats, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Samsung isn't just a brand, it's a name synonymous with pushing boundaries. And if the leaks are to be believed, the S26 Ultra isn't just an upgrade, it's a glimpse into the future. We're talking game-changing features, a jaw-dropping design, and specs that will make your current phone feel like a relic. So, if you're ready to get hyped, stick around. We're breaking down everything: the full features, the expected price, and that all-important launch date. So let's get into it. Design and display. Alright, first things first, let's just admire this design. Samsung has reportedly tweaked the formula, ditching the individual floating camera lenses for a unified, pill-shaped camera island. Now, whether you love it or hate it, it gives the phone a bold, new look. But the real magic happens when you turn on the screen. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is rumored to feature a massive 6.9-inch dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X panel. This isn't just a screen, it's a window into a new dimension. With a razor-sharp resolution of 1440 x 3120 pixels, your videos, games, and photos will be so clear, you'll feel like you can reach out and touch them. In the pixel density, a whopping 454 ppi ensures every single detail is crisp. But what truly sets this display apart is its mind-blowing brightness. Leaks are suggesting a peak brightness of up to 4500 nits. That means you can use your phone in direct sunlight, on the brightest day, and the screen will still be perfectly visible. The 120Hz refresh rate will, of course, make your scrolling and gaming experience buttery smooth. And for protection, you'll be glad to know it's expected to have Gorilla Glass armor too, keeping it safe from drops and scratches. The camera. Now for the segment that has always set Samsung apart, the camera. Leaks suggest the Galaxy S26 Ultra is not just a phone with a camera, it's a full-on, portable photography studio. It's rumored to boast a stunning quad-camera setup. The main camera is the real game-changer, a 200-megapixel Sony sensor with optical image stabilization. This sensor will be a master at capturing breathtaking, detailed photos, even in the most challenging low-light conditions. But the story doesn't end there. It's also rumored to come with a 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, and another 10-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. And for all you selfie lovers, a 50-megapixel front-facing sensor will be there to make sure your self-portraits are always on point. Power and performance. The heart of any phone is its processor, and the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to have the most powerful one yet. The latest reports point to the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 chipset. Built on new 3nm technology, this isn't just about raw speed, its power efficiency will be a game-changer, allowing the phone to do more while consuming less battery. And for the operating system, it's set to launch with Android 16, the very latest, with Samsung's One UI skin on top. Plus, Samsung has reportedly promised a whopping 5 years of Android updates, so your phone will stay current for years to come. Battery and charging. To power all this greatness, you need a serious battery. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to pack a massive 5500 mAh lithium polymer battery. This is an upgrade that we have been waiting for, and it should give you all-day power, even with heavy usage. And you won't have to wait around for it to charge. It's rumored to support 65-watt wired charging, which should juice up your phone in minutes. And for those who love convenience, it's expected to support 25-watt wireless charging, and 10-watt reverse charging to power up your other devices in a pinch. Price and launch date. Now for the biggest question: how much will it cost and when will it launch? Based on the latest leaks and predictions, the price is expected to be around $1,300 to $1,500 in the USA. It's a premium price, but given the specs and features we've discussed, it seems more than justified. As for the launch date, there's no official word yet, but it's widely expected to be unveiled in January 2026. This aligns perfectly with Samsung's traditional launch window.